What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to send money from USA to Philippines through the GCash app. So you might be wondering, can you actually do so? Now the thing with GCash, there are some limitations in using it. Now if you want to resend from the US to the Philippines, you need to use third-party apps while still using your GCash account. So how do you do so? Well, first things first is that you want to go ahead and access any third-party platforms out there that you of your chosen. Or in this case, we are going to use Wise here as a means of sending from USA to the Philippines. So it's a great idea to create an account in here. But then again, depending on what you've chosen, these steps might vary. But in my case, I'm using Wise. Now, all you need to do here is, again, you want to first create your account and set up your account here. But once you've done that, we want to go ahead and set up the recipient. Now, we want to go and click on recipients at the very bottom here. And from here, what we need to do is you just need to click on add recipient. And from here, you want to go and choose the currency. So we want to go and choose Philippine peso here since we want to send to the Philippines. Now, you want to go and choose the option here that says enter bank details. Now, from here, you want to go and choose the option here that says someone else. And from here, you want to choose e-wallet since GCash is a e-wallet available in the Philippines. Now, from here, you want to choose the wallet provider here. And you want to go and look for GCash, click on it, and provide all the desired information like their email, their full name of the account holder, the recipient's e-wallet number, which is usually their phone number that starts with the 63, which is the country code for it. Also, you can enter their city here and just click on confirm to save the details. Now, once you've saved your details, you just need to go ahead and go back to Wise again, and you want to go to the home section. And in here, you just need to proceed with sending money by clicking on the send option here. And you want to go and just choose the recipient and review a few things. So again, you want to go and choose the country here. So this is going to be USD or United States. And so go choose the recipient here and just type in PHP for Philippines and just specify the amount. Like for example, we are sending $100. You could go and choose your option here. So in this case, you want to go and choose the paying with option here. Click change and you could go and choose one of the following options. You have connected bank account, wire transfer, or international wire here. Now, in this case, you should also be able to see use debit card here depending on your account. But yeah, so go and choose whichever here. And click on the option here that says add recipient. And just fill out all the desired details here that you will be seeing. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.